Oh, hey guys, it's HCW Farms back. Yeah, no, I got handy with the razor the other day, but it's coming back slowly but surely. I'll flip y'all around. I'm gonna do a toolbox tour. See, I got my Craftsman toolbox. I put some stickers on it. I got some magnets, very strong magnets. First drawer, levels and stuff, easy outs, cutting torch tips, levels, stuff. Hacksaw, my saw, I keep it in here. Punches, pry bars, wire brushes, and then here, I just got that tool. Go check out Coon Trucking, my buddy Clay. Out there, really super guy down in Bonesville, Mississippi. With Coon Trucking, he's got Snap-on, he's got all of it. And tell him HAW Farms sent you. But see, I got my vice grips, channel locks, wire snips. I got my old reliable Snap-on. They have blue handles, but I kind of, yeah. And down here, dun 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 dun. This is a Napa brand Evercraft screwdriver. It's worn out. Kind of worn out, but dun 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 dun. Ain't this a thing of beauty? Look at this. My uncle gave that to me. That's oak. It was brass. I polished it up. Man, what you talking about, boy? And then down here, I got my key, my trusty key. Go check these people out. No, I'm not sponsored by them. Pull that out because I don't want it to get broke. And down here, S&T, baby. Yes, sir. Wire fencing tools, barbed wire tools, I call them. Mac, KD, S&K, Napa, Craftsman, and that's all in that drawer. That's the junk drawer. Mr. State, Hell State, baby. Very first gear wrench is Tiger Witch, baby. Evercraft. I don't know if y'all see that. Here you go. Stanley. And then here is my sucker set. I'm gonna do a little tour. Yes, sir. Get them at Napa. Napa Brent, Napa Mike are probably, oh boy. Yeesh. Go check out Cot Top 3. He probably's got one. So guys, that's all. America, baby. Woo! Hee hee! Alright. Got that from Stony Ridge. But not much here, guys. And girls that watch this. Same old, same old. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.